Hi everyone. Today we are going to recall parts of the body. Shall we? What is this? Hair. Hair. What is this? Forehead. Forehead. What is this? Eyes. Eyes. What is this? Ears. Ears. What is this? Nose. Nose. How many eyes do we have? We have two eyes. What is this? Teeth. Teeth. What is this? Mouth. Mouth. What is this? Neck. Neck. What is this? Shoulder. Shoulder. What is this? Elbow. Elbow. What is this? Chest. Chest. What is this? Stomach. Stomach. What is this? Fingers. Fingers. How many fingers do we have? We have totally 10 fingers. What is this? Hands. How many hands do we have? We have 2 hands. What is this? Legs. How many legs do we have? 2 legs. We have 2 legs. What is this? Knee. Knee. What is this? Foot. Foot. What is this? Ankle. Ankle. Okay children, I hope you all are enjoyed. Next, shall we recall the alphabet? Okay, repeat after me. A. A. B. B. C. C. D. D. E. E. F. F. G. G. H. H. I. I. J. J. K. K. L. L. M. M. N. N. O. O. P. P. Q. Q. R. R. S. S. T. T. U. U. V. V. W. W. X. X. Y. Y. Z. Z. Okay children, next we are going to see the sound of this letter. What is this? What is this letter children? Yes. What is this letter? Yes. What is the sound of this letter? Yes. S. What is the sound of this letter? S. Shall we read these words? Sun. Sun. Sandals. Sandals. Star. Star. Snowman. Snowman. Repeat after me. Sun. Sun. Sandals. Sandals. Star. Star. Snowman. Snowman. Next, what is this letter? Letter A. What is this letter? Letter A. What is the sound of this letter? A. What is the sound of this letter? A. Shall we read these words? Apple. Apple. Arrow. Arrow. Astronaut. Astronaut. Alligator. Alligator. Ant. Ant. Anther. Anchor. Shall we repeat again? What is this letter? A. What is the sound of this letter? A. Shall we repeat? Apple, apple. Arrow, arrow. Astronaut, astronaut. Alligator, alligator. Ant, anchor. Okay, children. Next, we are going to see letter B. What is this letter? Letter B. What is the sound of this letter B? B. What is the sound of this letter B? B. 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 Shall we read these words? B. Ball, ball. B. B. Bed, bed. Boat, boat. Balloon, balloon. Banana, banana. Shall we repeat again? Ball, ball, ball. Bed, bed. B, B. Banana, banana. Boat, boat. Balloon, balloon. Okay, children, I hope you all are enjoyed. Kindly practice at home. Thank you, my dear children.